Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my Halloween costume dress up series. That's what we're gonna call it. This next costume it's really like not even a costume, it's just like a lifestyle. My lifestyle. This next one is boy bait. I'm sure a lot of you females can relate. A lot of you men can relate to being the boy. A little something for everybody. I don't know, but I feel like my tits look really good right now, so I'm just gonna sit here. You know what? Like, there's literally nothing else I can say for an intro. This video is equally as bad and annoying as my last one, so if you hated the last one, keep on watching and you'll probably hate this one too. I do give some really great dating advice, a lot of tips on how to get that boy, so, you know, if you're interested in that kind of stuff, also keep on watching. All right, so this brings us to our next look, which is boy bait. In reality, this like isn't even creative. This is just like my everyday life. I am going to basically just be doing my everyday, or not every day, I'm gonna be doing like my caked up full face of makeup look that I would wear to the club. So I'm going to finish my makeup and I'll be back. Oh my gosh, a boy just texted me. What you doing? Not texting you back because I'm busy filming your documentary. Why is my hair like that? There's no boys that are gonna be with me. I am leaking fluids out of every orifice. My eyes are watering. My nose is running. I don't know who I'm allergic to, but it might work in my favor because boys love girls that do coke in the bathroom, so it works. Okay, we are caked and baked. Yes, I am the same person. I am a catfish. I know. So for our boy bait, we are going to need an outfit that a boy would like, which is pretty much everything in my closet because those are the only kind of guys I attract. They love push-up bras. I don't really wear push-up bra because I got fake titties, but I'm gonna go change and I'll be back. Ooh, the lighting in here though. Hi, golden hour. How are you? So I have on my ultra push-up bra. Step 1, we want to see the titties. I found my smallest push-up bra. A tip that I used to use in junior high was just find a bra that's like 3 sizes too small for you and then like tighten the straps as far as they'll go. I'm just wearing a wife beater because I honestly, I don't know, like, I feel like that's what, those are, you're in the way. And then I found these American flag shorts. I'm American and I love my country. How about you? I think this video just went from boy bait to just white trash. Still me though. This video is no longer a Halloween dress up video, but now just a dress like Kaylee day for 7 days straight. Ew, I feel hot. I'm feeling real country right now. Frankie, you put the fentanyl in the baby's bottle again. That fentanyl was for me. Howdy there, I'm Country Kaylee. And if you want a home cooked meal, hit me up, baby. Yeah. Oh, what the? Yeah, I reckon I saw you at Country Thunder, did I not? Oh shit, I must be thinking about someone else. You wanna? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to keep this video monetized. I'm so sorry, I got a potty mouth. Yeah, baby. Why did I put on flag shorts? Okay, I need a change. Should I put on some feelers? Boys love girls that wear feelers. Okay, I'm gonna put the feelers on. All right. Is it too dark? Do I need to turn the ring light on? Hey! Oh, okay. All right, so I added the feelers. What are we thinking? Yeah, still not working. All right, so I'm just gonna put on some club attire because I feel like that's where the boys like to do their fishing is at the club. I have this Fashion Nova. Holy shit, my tits look huge. I am wearing a push-up bra. Stop looking at my tits. Stop. god. Y'all take a Red Bull vodka. I'm not even like acting. That's like actually me. Okay, so I'm actually gonna leave the bra strap showing because boys kind of like a boy with a not a boy. Well, it could be a boy. It's 2019 and we are gender fluent in here, so it could be a he, a she, a we, a they, them. We are who. It could be in anybody. Nowadays, you gotta compete against every gender. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so we're gonna keep the bra strap showing because boys like a little bit of trash. You know what I'm saying? This is the outfit. We want a lot of cake face, a lot of makeup. We want the contour, the fake lashes. We want the Kylie Jenner lips. We want the big titties. Something to make your booty look good. I'm gonna keep the feelers because I see every girl wearing feelers to the club. So I'm gonna keep the feelers on. Wow, still me. Like, this is literally still me. This is something I'm probably gonna wear to the club this weekend. Like, what kind of sick joke is this? But I did leave out one very important factor that makes this outfit key. A 12-pack of White Claws. Can we actually have a real talk for a second? White Claws, if you don't know, then girl, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you because White Claws are like coming to a city near you, bitch. It's like a whole movement that I refuse to take part of. I will not drink a White Claw. And if I see you ordering me a White Claw and you hand it to me, I'm gonna knock that shit out of your hands. I will not do this. I will not give in. I am not going to be a White Claw. I will not drink it. I will not be with someone who drinks it. But listen, you could show as much titties. You could show as much ass. You could be full on naked in the club. And you still won't get as much attention as if you were to carry in a 12-pack of White Claws. I'm serious. It is sick. You're sick if you are part of that movement. Okay, but to be honest, the club is probably not going to let you bring in a 12-pack of White Claws. So you're probably going to have to empty this and just use the box. It's not bad. I'm like a real life boy. But let me tell you, Safeway has the best chicken wings. Period. I will argue to the death with anybody. I will. Comment below and we can fist fight. Cause my nails are short. I'm in the mood to fight. Chicken wing. I just doodled up a quick sign just because I feel like people are gonna be like,
Kaylee, you're not even dressed up. Like, that's just you every day.
What do you mean this new costume?
You always look like that at the club.
but do I always carry White Claws with me? No. So I wrote a little boy Bates and I got my White Claws and we're good to go, babe. Who needs a purse when you have White Claws? Oh! 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 Oh!
Hey!
What? Oh! Oh! Ah! My head just went in the van! This is out of control. I made one like quick little adjustment. I thought it would just be more realistic if I put send nudes. Send nudes. Yeah, my hair is real. So are my lashes. Of course my boobs are real. What are you talking about? Yeah, I'm all natural. Part of a good Halloween costume is to never break character. So a couple of things you can do is find the first man you see at the bar. Tap him on the shoulder and say, you want to trade nudes? Yeah, I'll take a Red Bull vodka. But how about we sip some White Claws instead? Hey, you up? And if he doesn't reply to the hey you up text, you can always hit him with the I have White Claws. Come over. Oh, he replied. Netflix and chill? Yes! Oh my gosh, he loves me. Hey, wanna come over and roll around the sheets like two rotisserie chickens? Awesome. Yeah, I'll send you my location. Actually, don't use that. Actually, I feel like I have used that line before, and I'm pretty sure it worked. Cringy. Oh, my Tinder just went off. Ew. Why does he look like that? Oh my gosh, you're the guy from Tinder. I totally swiped left. You're way cuter in person though. Do you want a White Claw? You're gonna have to grab it out of my titties though. I'm a bad girl like that. Okay guys, this was my boy bait look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did not. I felt very attacked. This is basically just myself. I suck at this YouTube thing. Throughout the entire time when I was filming these, I was having the worst allergies and hormonal breakouts. Like literally, like the universe was like, no, you're not gonna look cute for these videos. We're gonna make sure everybody knows that you're ugly in real life. We're just gonna expose the hell out of you. So there's that. That's why I'm like here trying to be like, I swear like I'm not that ugly. I'm just kidding, I am. This literally is my life. Like I don't attract good guys, I attract losers, and so like I knew exactly how to dress up for this. And there's that. Hope you enjoyed part 2 and come back for part 3 within the next few days, because part 3 is gonna be even worse. Goodbye.